Welcome to Wolf Chevrolet. Today we're taking a closer look at some of the interior and exterior features in our 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. This Equinox is featured in the RS trim and is a red paint finish. It includes features such as our heated steering wheel. It is retrofit for our heated front seats, a backup camera with full 360 view as well as front and rear park assist, our black alloy wheels, a powered liftgate, and roof rails. First, starting off in the front of the vehicle, we can see we have a chrome finish door handle, door locks, our powered outside mirror controls, window locks, as well as powered window controls. Just below it, we have the controls for our powered liftgate, as well as storage and our Bose speaker. Inside the vehicle, above our steering wheel, we can see our display cluster with a digital speedometer in the middle. Moving down to the left-hand side of the steering wheel is all of our cruise settings, our heated steering wheel, lane keep assist, and our forward collision is in the center of the cruise. Just down and to the left of that steering wheel is our lighting controls. The right-hand side of the steering wheel is our hands-free, as well as our controls to adjust what is displayed in our digital speedometer section. Moving to the middle, we have our infotainment system. We can see we have our audio, phone, navigation, Wi-Fi hotspot, as well as Apple Carplay and Android Auto. If we swipe across, we also have apps, camera, our Sirius XM. If we click our camera, we can see our backup camera with adaptive guidelines. You can also see that we have a front view, a rear view, and much more settings. If we hit home, we can get back to this main screen, and if we hit home a second time, we can see our phone connected, as well as more details. You can see we have some buttons across the bottom for additional controls. Below it, auto stop start and our hazard lights. Just to the left is our push to start engine button. Below, we have our dual zone front climate control. We have where our heated seat buttons would go, but this one is a retrofit, so we expect those for Q2. Below, we have an SD slot, a USB-C, USB, aux, 12-volt plug, and some storage. Then we have our parking sensors, all-wheel drive button, 2 cup holders. We have some storage just before our center console. You can also see our key. The top, we have our locks and unlocks, remote starter, powered liftgate, and our alarm system. Moving to our center console, we can see we have a black and red leather finish. Inside we have deep storage, as well as a removable tray and 2 USBs. Moving to our seats, we can see that they are finished in a black leather throughout the vehicle, and they have a red trim. Above the rear view mirror, we have our rear check reminder, lighting controls, the controls for the screen of our sunroof, as well as our actual sunroof controls, a sunglass holder. Then lastly, we have our dual pane sunroof, which ranges across the vehicle. Now walking down the side of the vehicle, we can see our tires and rims. Our rims are finished in a black alloy with a Chevrolet bow tie center cap in white. Moving across, we can see our mirrors, which are powered as well as paint match. We also have our paint match door handles and our roof rack on the top. Around to the back of the vehicle, we can see we have black Chevrolet bow tie badging, as well as our RS all-wheel drive and Equinox badging. Just next to our handle, below our Chevrolet badging, is our backup camera. If we press on underneath, we can see our powered liftgate opening up. In the back of the vehicle, we have 60/40 folding split and a spare storage underneath. And just up on the right-hand side is our handle to close the liftgate. Moving to the back of the vehicle, we can see a chrome finish door handle, powered window control, as well as storage and a speaker. Inside the vehicle, we have a storage compartment in both the driver and the passenger seats. Moving in between the 2 seats, we have our 2 vents, 2 USBs for charging, and at the bottom, a 120-volt plug. Moving to our seats in the second row, we can see they are the same black leather with the red trim that was featured in the front of the vehicle. The center seat, we have 2 foldable cup holders, and all 3 seats fold up in a 60-40 folding split pattern to make additional storage space. Thank you for joining me for this quick video walkaround of the 2022 Chevrolet Equinox. If you enjoyed, please be sure to subscribe for more daily videos, and we hope to see you at Wolf Chevrolet soon.